Brad Williams, XL Prime. How to add a chart style going up to magenta color or magenta color is a hint as to where to find or how to get to chart styles. Click anywhere within the chart box, go to chart design, go to chart styles, and here we have a layout of chart styles. You can just see the highlighted look, and if you want to expand this, click that down arrow and you can see the different layout. And if you want to see it, all you do is click it. And I just clicked this particular example. There's your new chart style. If you don't like it, you can go back up here, click chart box. You can change it, or you can hit Control Z. That's a quick overview of Chart Tools Design Chart Styles. If you want to review this information, you can scale up or down here on a row by row basis, or you can hit the bottom More button and you can get a display of all of the related chart styles. Brad Williams, XL Prime.